the richest dreamer. Sideways in beamers, in fila, drinking steamers.
Hiya. Quick video on how to reset the oil service indicator on an E46. So what we need to do is we need this button. It's all we need, no tools. This button could do with two hands though, and I'm using one to hold the phone. Just a sec. Let's see if that works. I've got it wedged in the steering wheel, so I need to push this button down, turn to position 1, just position 1, not position 2, until that happens. Right, keep hold of it, and then it does that. So then we release it, press it again, and now that's it. Look, it's reset. So don't do this obviously unless you're changing the oil, which I've just done. So that is how to reset the the service light on this. Now when I turn it on, it says I've got that many miles until the oil change is due. Brilliant. That's it. See you next time.